Hi students, now discuss about the first year geology intermediate syllabus and weightage of the marks. Students, this is the table that shows three columns. First one is serial number of the chapter and second one is the name of the chapters and third one is total marks from the each chapter, weightage of the marks from each chapter. Now first one, name of the chapter, serial number 1, diversity of living world. Diversity of living world. Students, entire the world shows different types of the organisms or the animals, plants like that, microorganisms also. These are shows different variations in size, shape and body build-up like that. And organisms show some amount of the similar features. Okay students. Next, what about the meaning of the geology, name of the geology, scope of the geology, also called animal science. Different branches came out from the geology. Next, what about the biological classification, hierarchy levels of the classifications. Students, species, what about species, species concept. Still another classification of kingdom Animalia. Students, and biodiversity. Biodiversity. These are topics present in diversity of the living world. It is the first chapter. And weightage of marks in annual public examination which is conducted by Board of Intermediate Education, Telangana. And total marks from the chapter is 6 marks and it is with one short answer type question and one another very short answer type question. Okay, students, each short answer type question the answer carries 4 marks. Very short answer type question the answer carries 2 marks. Students, next second chapter, that one is structural organization in animals. Structural organization in animals. How the body of animal is built up. Okay, organizes. How the different animals are there and what about the levels of organization in the body of animals. Cellular level, tissue level, organ system level like that. And what about the symmetry, different types of the symmetry shows by the animals. And different types of the coeloms present in the animals like a coelom, pseudocoelom, eucoelom like that. Based on this, animals are differentiated into types. And under animal tissues, 4 animal tissues are present. These are epithelial tissue, connective tissue and nervous tissue and muscular tissue. So these are the topics present in second chapter, structural organization in animals. Weightage from this chapter is total 10 marks. Says with one short answer type question and 2 very short answer type questions. And third one, that is animal diversity 1. Animal diversity 1. It is also called invertebrate phyla. Animal diversity means animal diversity, diversity in the animals. Animals are shows different types of the characters. Okay, animals shows different variations. These are the animals varies in size, shape, body build-up, body organization. Okay, student, this is about animal diversity 1. Animal diversity 1. It is also called invertebrate phyla. Why it is called invertebrate phyla? Invertebrates. Animals divides into invertebrates, vertebrates. Invertebrates means these are the animals does not have the vertebral column, backbone. Backbone is absent in these animals. Hence these are invertebrates. Entire the invertebrates are placed in different phyla in classification of the animals, hierarchy levels of classification. What are the phylums? What are the phylums? These are from the phylum Porifera to phylum Hemichordata. Okay, Porifera, Cnidaria, Ctenophora, Platyhelminthes, Nematoda, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Hemichordata, like that. Each phylum consists of different animals, different number of animals which have similar characters. Similar characters present in animals which are present in the each phylum. Okay student, this is about invertebrate phyla, and weightage from this chapter is 6 marks and is with one short answer type question, another one very short answer type question. Next, fourth one, animal diversity 2. Animal diversity 2. It is also diversity, animal diversity, and it is includes with only single phylum, that one is Chordata. Okay, what is the difference between it is the phylum Chordata, it is the invertebrate phyla? What is difference? These are the animals which are present in the phylum Chordata having the notochord in dorsal position, mid dorsal position. Because presentation of the notochord, these are all the animals is includes in the phylum Chordata, and it is the chapter with subphylum Cephalochordata, subphylum Vertebrata, superclass Anata, superclass Gnathostomata, and tetrapods. What about the tetrapods? Tetrapods, these are the animals which shows the two limbs attaches to the body of animals. These are forelimbs, hind limbs. In human beings, likely these are called hands and the legs. Okay student, this is about the animal diversity 2. Okay student, and total weightage from the chapter is 6 marks and filled with one short answer type question, one very short answer type question. Next, fifth chapter, locomotion and reproduction. Since the locomotion and reproduction not only in all animals, only in the protozoans. Protozoans are single cell animals, single cell organisms. These are possess all the characters similar to high developed animals, highly developed organisms. Okay student, what about locomotion? Locomotion is animals have ability to move from one place to the another place, that is called locomotion. Next, and the students, reproduction. Reproduction means animals have ability to produce similar animals, to produce same animals that are equal to the parents, or progeny, offsprings, like that. For locomotion, these are the single cell organisms or the protozoans have some amount of the organelles or the parts called cilia, flagella. Cilia shows ciliary movement, flagella shows flagellary movement. Cilia are air-like structures, flagella are whip-like structure. These are helps in movement of that organisms. Okay student, next reproduction. Reproduction divided into two types, asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction, which one is the example? that is fission. Fission is the one of the example for asexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction, these are the animals goes to sexual reproduction by the process of conjugation or syngamy. Okay student, this is the 5th chapter and total marks carries from this total 8 marks, and it is filled with 1 short answer type question, 2 very short answer type questions. Next another one, 6th one, biology in human welfare. What about biology in human welfare? This is the entire the chapter is with parasites, parasitism and parasitic adaptations. Okay, which are parasites? Some animals enters into the body of another animal. Some animals enter into the body of another animals for food and the habitat and cause the disorders. It is the association between two animals. This is called parasites. Which one enters into the body of another animal and cause the disorder? Called parasites. That animal is called parasite. For successful life complete in the another body of animal, parasites have some amount of the advantages, adaptations. These are called parasitic adaptations. And what about human health and diseases? Different types of the disorders, bacterial diseases, fungal diseases, viral diseases. And what about tobacco, drugs, alcohol abuse? And what are the parasites? And life cycle of the parasites, life history of the parasites like Wuchereria bancrofti, Plasmodium vivax, Ascaris lumbricoides. These are the topics present in biology in human welfare. Total marks 14 and weightage, and it is with 1 long answer type question, 1 short answer type question, and under 1 very short answer type question. Students, next 7th chapter, Periplaneta americana. Periplaneta americana is the scientific name for cockroach. Students, already you know a cockroach, and it is the chapter is with entire type study of cockroach. Habitat, external features shows by the cockroach, digestive system, circulatory system, respiratory system. Student, nervous system, reproductive system, these are the topics includes in it. Total weightage from this chapter 12 marks, 1 long answer type question and another 1 4 marks question. Next students, now last chapter, ecology and environment. Ecology and environment. What are the topics present in this chapter? Various types of the animals are present. Okay student, and these are the animals, also shows the populations. Okay, population interactions, and another environmental issues, nutrient cycles, food chains, food web, ecological pyramids, environmental aspects, ecosystem, types of ecosystem. Okay students, these are the topics present in this last chapter, ecology and environment. Weightage from this chapter, total 14 marks, 1 long answer type question, 1 short answer type question, 1 very short answer type question. Total 76 marks. Students, and what about question paper pattern, model question paper of intermediate public annual examination conducted by Board of Intermediate Education. That is the question paper, annual public examination question paper is with 3 sections. Total 21 questions are present in the question paper. Okay, 3 sections, section A, section B, section C. Now section A. Section A is with 10 questions. These are all very short answer type questions. Answer should be right in 4 lines only. Each answer carries 2 marks. Okay, 1 to 10 questions are there. There is no choice. Okay, there is no choice. 10 into 2, 20 marks. Next, section B. Section B, this is with 8 questions, 11 to 18 questions. Short answer type questions. These are short answer type questions given from all the chapters. Students, and each answer carries 4 marks. Okay, there is a choice. There is a choice. Totally 8 questions and 6 questions. Answers you write 6 into 4, 24 marks. 6 into 4, 24 marks. Okay, student. Section A with 20 marks, section B with 24 marks. Section C, final. Section C is with 3 questions, 19, 20, 21 question numbers. 3 questions are there. These are long answer type questions. Okay, you select only 2 questions for answering. There is a one choice. Students, each question answer carries 8 marks. 2 into 8 equals 16 marks. Total 60 marks. Students, time is 3 hours. Students, this is about the pattern of question paper.